Hello, everybody. My name is Gary, and welcome back. Oh, they call. Welcome back to Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. I'm starting this one right after the last one. Are you gonna jump? Where are the whales? Oh, do they only do it once? I didn't know that the brothers called. That's what called the whales. Oh. Anyways, welcome back. We're just starting this one right after the last one because the game is gorgeous. I just want to keep playing. Hey, where did that thing go? Oh. I understand. I'm cutting, or I'm bringing the saw over to that tree so that I can cut that tree down. But I had to get it out of this tree. Oh, that makes so much sense. I understand now. I didn't understand before, but now I get it. It makes complete sense now that I've said it out loud. I thought that I know what I'm doing. I thought that this was where the lady and us left, but no. Go that way. Oh, I can go so fast. But nope, we're having to do all the work while she stands there. I did it. Why do you get to go first whenever we have a gymnast? What is that? Why can't I do that? We're just doing all the work and she still gets to go first. It's not fair. She does nothing. Just runs away and does flips over branches and trees and everything. She is very cool, though. I wish I could be as cool as her. Where are we going? Where are you taking me? Are you taking me to your humble abode so that you can kill me? And cook me in a stew? Maybe what the people were doing. Are these snowmen or people? All right. I'll try. But first I want to... Oh, never mind. I can't go in there. Never mind. I guess I just have to go up. Are they people or are they snowmen? Who built all of these snowmen? If they are snowmen. I don't... Yeah, they're snow. People... There would be people inside of them if they were real. Oh! We're slingshotting ourselves? Cool! That seems... This is a good time. Uh-huh. Oh, no, we're just slingshotting her. Because she is master gymnast. And then she's gonna put down the thing for us. Or not. Oh. Oh, I have to slingshot somebody else over. Because there's two sides of the bridge. Got it. So do I have to readjust the... No, I don't. I thought I was gonna have to change the trajectory. But nope. Game just does what it wants to do. Don't worry, big brother. I'm not leaving you. I don't trust this lady. I feel like she wants to cook me in a stew. And it's scary. We're in a town. How did we get here? Actually, I know how we got here. Why are we here? Is there a dragon? Is it a dragon? It's an invisible monster. What? Actually, I don't know why I'm surprised with everything that has happened in this game. I really shouldn't be. Oh, the music changed. We have to be sneaky. A little sneaky snake. All right, I guess I'll do all the work again. As usual. How do I... Am I supposed to be going somewhere? So is she just gonna jump across, or is she leaving us? What's going on? Of course she just what is this? I couldn't just do that? How are you so spry? Oh, I get it. Hide. If he doesn't... You're tall. That doesn't make sense. Go away now. There we go. Run! And we're gone. A sneaky snake. Maybe a curse has been brought upon this. Oh, we're playing dangerous games now. We're standing on ledges. Hang on, I'm exploring. Maybe this town was cursed or something. And we're all turned to snow. Like all of the people were snow. They're not snowmen. Maybe that's what's happening because there's no people around. And this troll is the one that did it. This troll was the one, gotta hide again, was the one that caused everything to happen. Yeah, all of them should be seen. The angles are not making sense. That's humans. He's eating humans. It makes sense. His what big feet you have, sir. And what big thuds you make. Ooh, there's another well. I want to interact with the well. No, I don't want to. Not yet. I'm not ready. Ooh. Can I open this? No. I thought that it was a shortcut somewhere, but it's not. I'm going. I'm turning. The camera's not working. Oh no, this is her humble abode. This is where she kills us, huh? Can you smell us? Is that what's going on? How'd you know? Whoa, we have Strong Boy. Uh-oh, we've been separated again. This happens every time. They do this to me every year. Little brother is gonna be murdered, huh? It's bound to happen. Or not. We killed him. It was an accident, but we did it. Goodbye. You're not having me as a midday snack. A loser. Oh, this is awkward. How old is she? Really? Wow. He thinks he fell in love. Did you see the look that he gave little brother? She's too spry. There's something suspicious going on. Whoa. And screenshot. Can I get a better angle? That pole is in the way. That is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. That is so pretty. Whoa. Ooh, what's down there? Is it gonna show me? Or no? So she's strong enough to move a boulder, but she's not strong enough to help row? Really? I don't trust her. How does she know? She's leading us somewhere. I also don't like her hand movement. She's plotting something. Ew. That whole hand, her hands look gross. I'm scared. This is scary. Everybody look out for stuff. Are those more snow people? Look at her shadow. Let's see if it changes. Something's gonna happen. I just don't know what. Ah! Uh-oh. I warned you. Ew. Uh-oh. I told you. Ew, she's a spider. I hate spiders. Gross. Off with its head. Where's the Queen of Hearts when you need her? I knew we shouldn't have trusted her, and yet Big Brother had to fall in love. What an idiot. Wake up! Yeah, giant spider lady. Remember? She climbed up a wall, then turned into a spider, and this area is really pretty. Oh, I have to swing. I have to... We have to break the thread. Just keep swinging. There we go. I did it. I told you. No! Ew, you nasty. Ooh. Roll into her. And then do... Ew. Ew! Gross. Are you gonna come back down, or are you just gonna... Roll into her. Can you die? That's all I wanted to do, but it wouldn't let me. Pull off another one! Take all her legs. Even those front ones. The nasty. Okay, I'm guessing Big Brother just has to, like... never mind. She doesn't really do anything. There we go. Give me another one. Give me it. Give me. It's mine. It's mine now. I want. It's going in my collection of spider legs. Oh, hey. I can just run into her. Ew, she just has front legs now. That's so gross. Yeah, you're injured. You're finished. Finito. One final leg. And then those front tendrils. That doesn't make sense. And one big... Whoa! I like that you stick your leg out for me to do it, by the way. Oh! What? Those are green. Her tentacle things were green. He felt it. Her tentacle thing was green. It was poisoned. I think, maybe. He felt his son get stabbed. What? How long have I been gone? And how is he not dead yet? Maybe he just has a cold. Oh no. Her web is shattering. That's cool. What? Please tell me he doesn't die. I actually know the answer, but I'm not gonna spoil it. What are we gonna do? Oh no. Are you kidding? After the trauma that Big Brother just went through? Oh no. And now all of this is happening? What is going on? Oh. We found it. We had to go down. Are you okay? There's the tree. We just had to go down the fun slide. We made it. And screenshot. I have like 50 screenshots of this game because every single scene is so pretty. Oh, I don't have to walk over there. Hopefully they just like appear because the walking slow was too much for me. Yes, thank you. Oh no, he has a hole in his stomach. Oh no. I gotta hurry. I gotta get the water so that I can heal him. Yeah, just stay right there. You don't really have a choice, but just go. Oh my gosh. Finally, I only have to control one. Thank you. Okay, the music is giving me anxiety. It's making me feel like I have to rush, but I really want to look at the scenery, the prettiness of the game. Go. Faster. Run as fast as possible. How convenient of a tree to be made with an inside that I can walk through. Go, 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 go! He's going too slow. Can I see Big Brother from up here? I can. He's still alive. I see his head moving. Run! What an awkward tree to climb. Well, actually, any tree would be awkward. What am I saying? But this one is specifically very windy. Is he still down there? Yeah, I see him, but I didn't see if he was moving. Whoa! Cool! Get the crystal water! I hope it's cold and delicious. I knew we shouldn't have trusted Spider Lady. What are you doing? Get the water! She was too spry for her own good. Wow, I could not go any slower if I wanted to. We gotta heal him. Go! Jump down the suspicious glowing hole. Let's see where it leads. Whee! Oh, wee, it's a slide. Fun. I'm passing the part that I went through. Yes! No! No! Use the water. Will it heal him, please? Please. You can see, like, veins on his face. That is crazy. His eyes are open, too. The detail is insane. For such an old game, the amount of detail is so crazy. No! Why'd you have to trust Spider Lady? I've witnessed everyone in my family die. My mother, I watched her drown. I watched my brother get stabbed and bleed to death. Oh, that screaming is heart-wrenching. No. Why? His green eyes are gorgeous. Is he alive? Is he back alive, please? Or is it like one final goodbye? I have the chills right now. That's so sad. It was just one final goodbye. My heart is breaking. I played so many sad games recently. Why? Why do I do this to myself? I'm burying... Oh. This is so sad. I'm burying my own brother. Oh my gosh, it's gonna make me drag him. I don't want to do it. I'm not ready to say goodbye. Why can't I bring him home? And then we can bury him next to our mom. Or wait, no, I'm guessing my mom was never found. Because she drowned at sea, so it's just a gravestone. I would never, if this ever happened, like it would never happen because this is obviously a game, but if this ever happened to like my siblings, I don't think I would ever be able to drag their corpse to a grave that I had to dig to bury them. I don't know what I would do in this situation, but this is too much. The big brother's face is changing too. Did you see it? Like his, like the bags and everything were larger. Is it called postmortem or postmortem? Postmortem? I don't know what it is. Actually. I literally have to bury him? Are you kidding? Why do you have to make me get attached to everybody? My hawk buddy? My brother, the turtles, everyone, and they all end up dying or leaving. This is a cruel game. This is so sad. At least he's being buried at the foot of the very pretty tree. Hopefully he doesn't get bothered in his slumber. He's just sleeping. He's not dead. That is so gorgeous. Oh! Hawk buddy! Or Griffin buddy! I want to cry. This is so sad. And he left. I don't know if I would ever be able to leave my sibling like that. It's gonna take us through everything. Do you think all of the people in the village are... No, they have to be Snow. I was thinking that maybe they were all like spider webs from her. They were all in like a cocoon. Am I gonna see Einstein again? No. Or my troll friends? This is so sad! Whoa. The imagery in this game is like some of the best I've ever seen. And the craziest part is it's so old. The game came out in like 2008, 2004, no. I want to say like 2008 to 2012, somewhere in between there. And it looks stunning. Imagine a remastered version of this game. Aw, my Griffin is leaving me too. If I get there and my dad is dead too, I will have no one. This is awful. What an awful game. I don't like this game anymore. I don't have words. I don't know how to describe this or explain my feelings and emotions. My heart is shattered, that's for sure. For a second there was almost a tear that was about to stream down my face. But I held it together. I held myself together. I composed myself. And now I'm just mentally and emotionally not okay. But physically, I'll do okay. I can't swim. What am I gonna do without Big Brother? No, this cannot be the end of the road. I've gotten so far. It's my mom. Cross the river, my child. Or you will be alone. You'll have no family left. How come I get visited by the ghost of my dead family? Aww. That's so sad. I have to get it to my dad. Let's go. We have to swim. You can do it. I believe in you. You're strong. You've been through a lot. Why am I not swimming? What am I? Swim. Swim. Oh. I'm channeling my inner bigger brother. I'm doing it. I had to, okay. I need to explain what happened. So little brother, he's always controlled with control and the arrow keys. And then big brother was always controlled with WASD and space. And control and space were the interactive buttons. It's still that way, but I just had to use the arrow keys to control him, but space as the interactive key. So it changed to like half little brother, half big brother. I just had to explain that to you guys because that was so weird. The entire game, it has never been like that. But now I'm doing everything as little brother. All of the interactive keys, or the interaction key now, is now space. I have the strength of big brother. This is so sad. Wait, can I go back? I want to go to the house really quick and see if anything has changed. I need to head all the way back. Or is he just gonna, like, automatically switch to the other side? Like, is he gonna turn me around? Am I gonna see more dead relatives? When will this child ever get a break? This is where the game starts. I have to go. He's with me. Oh, that's so sad. Big Brother Spirit is with me. Turn the camera the other way. I can't see where I'm going. Camera's still fighting me. At the end of the game, I'm still struggling. Does control even work anymore? Oh, it does. I can use space. No. So if I use control, which is little brother's interaction key, it doesn't work. I have to use space. I have to use big brother's interaction key. What did WASD do? Does it let me control him? No. Aww. Can I even do it? Am I? Whoa. I'm incredible. I'm here. Please tell me he's not dead too. You know, for a healer, I really had to do all the work here. All you're doing is pouring some water in his mouth. But is little brother okay? No. He's gonna pass out. This child, however young he is, has been through some of the most traumatic things any human has to experience. And he's so young. I heard Mr. Griffin. I didn't see him, though. Oh, it's not over. What happens if I just throw a bunch of rocks? I skip them. Oh, can I hit a fish? It's cool that they have different paths. Like, it's not the exact same path, which is cool. Oh, he's all alone. Why does the game have to be so beautiful but so cruel? It's awful. But what's up here? Oh, our dad. Don't mind me. I was skipping rocks. Oh, I'm walking slow. It's not letting me run anymore. Aw, there's a grave for brother too. Big brother. This is so sad. I've thought about that a lot, like what I would do if I lost my siblings. And no matter how much I fight with them, they are my best friends in the entire world. And so I don't know what I would do. Aww. Just remember, it's all your fault. Had you not have got sick, we never would have had to go on the adventure. I feel like you just had a common cold. But no, we had to go on a giant adventure that killed my brother. What a gorgeous game. My griffin buddy. And that's it. I'm gonna let all of the credits play out because obviously I want the people to get the credit that they deserve. The game was incredible. I'm gonna see when it came out though. I can't hear myself. The music is so loud I can't hear myself talk. The initial release date was 2013. That is crazy. Oh wow, these credits are the slowest credits I've ever seen in my entire life, and I've played so many games. My thoughts on the game though, the credits are broken. Hang on, wait, I was just watching that for no reason because the credits were broken. It was only playing half of the credits. Oh, sorry. Well, I couldn't really show you the credits anyways. My thought process on the game. It's such a good game, and it's definitely like a once in a life, or I would recommend playing it at least once in your life because it is an experience that no other game can achieve. Truly, it's so, so good. I wish that, as I've said, like throughout the entire series, I wish that the controls and the camera were better. They were fighting me at every single turn, but at the end of the day, it was still an amazing game, and it's so gorgeous too. And it came out in 2013, so the developers did a fantastic job. But that is the end of this video and the end of Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It lets me know that you guys enjoy content like this. Also, while you're down there, consider subscribing. There'll be a link down in the description, as well as a big red subscribe button below this video. You can press either one. They both do the exact same thing, and it helps the channel out a ton. It just lets me know that you guys enjoy content from me. Also, comment anything. Let me know what other games you guys would like to see me play. Anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!